Hello, warm greetings to everyone out there. It's your boy OV Mark, and you're welcome to Artified Optimist. Now, with the incidence of coronavirus spreading all over the world, questions have begun to fly in from different angles. If man's closest pet, the dog and cat, are susceptible to coronavirus infection, that is COVID-19. Now let's take a brief look at this insinuation. Okay, so it's been confirmed that coronavirus spreads amongst dogs as racing greyhounds catch disease. Okay, racing greyhounds are to be isolated in Australia after an outbreak of coronavirus was confirmed among dogs at the property in the state of Victoria. Greyhound Racing Victoria, that's GRV, said greyhounds in Geelong have contracted canine coronavirus. Canine coronavirus is a type that is not fatal and not transferable to humans. Cases of canine coronavirus have been recorded in dogs since the 1970s and present in Australia for a number of years. Infected dogs suffer with gastroenteritis type symptoms, including vomiting and diarrhea. It is not linked to the current outbreak of COVID-19, which originated in China. Okay, so that's the case in Australia. A group of greyhound dogs have been found to contact corona, but a type which is not transferable to humans. Also, somewhere in Hong Kong, it was reported that a Pomeranian was diagnosed with having the COVID-19 coronavirus, believed to have been transferred from its infected owner in Hong Kong. The dog is now being kept in quarantine after rectal, oral, and nasal samples came back confirming it had the disease. Okay, the Agriculture, Fisheries and Conservation Department in Hong Kong said the dog will be kept under surveillance for 14 days, but in a statement, officials added that it still does not have evidence that pet animals can be infected with COVID-19 virus or can be a source of infection to people. Leading scientists in Britain said it was irresponsible to make the news of the dog's infection public because it is likely the test may have picked up the traces of the virus from the animal's fur rather than its bloodstream. Jonathan Ball, professor of molecular virology at the University of Nottingham, said there is no evidence that the human novel coronavirus can infect dogs, and it would be incredible for a virus to make so many species jump in such a short space of time. Okay, so we have to differentiate between real infection and just detecting the presence of a virus. These are very different. Pet owners have been reminded to get into the habit of washing their hands after touching their pets. Alright, so people, there you go. Although it's been found in Hong Kong, in China, that a particular breed of a dog or of dogs contracted the coronavirus, experts are of the opinion that there is no solid evidence yet to prove that dogs can actually contract the coronavirus COVID-19. And as we saw earlier, one of the experts made us understand that the coronavirus can actually be found on the fur of pets, especially dogs. That should not be mistaken for the fact that it is found in the bloodstream. But I'm wondering, how come a dog in Hong Kong returned positive results from the samples that were taken from it? So at this point, it will be very, very important and essential for pet owners to exercise a whole lot of caution. Wash your hands every time you come in contact with your dogs, especially those people in areas that are so prone to the spread of coronavirus, and even in other areas. Just be smart. Make sure you wash your hands properly after touching your dogs. As of now, there is no yet confirmed evidence to show that the coronavirus can spread from pets to humans. All we can do at this point is to exercise caution. Okay, so on Saturday, February 29, the World Small Animal Veterinary Association, WSAVA, issued official guidance on how to protect yourself and your pets. Although there is no evidence of COVID-19 infecting animals, WSAVA noted that this is a rapidly evolving situation and that coronaviruses are a zoonotic family of pathogens, meaning they infect both animals and humans alike. Okay, SARS-CoV-2 is a beta coronavirus that affects humans with respiratory symptoms similar to flu and pneumonia. Okay, there are, however, coronavirus strains that can attack dogs and cats with symptoms such as mild diarrhea. In the case of COVID-19, WSAVA and the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, advise infected people from physically interacting with their pets. The CDC said you should restrict contact with pets and other animals while you are sick with COVID-19, just like you would around other people. So that's it. You have it from the experts. If you are down with COVID-19 and you love your pets so much, please stay away from them. Okay, stay away from pets. And if you have snugged or come in very close contact with your pets, it's advisable, please wash your hands regularly, and also give your pets, your dogs and your cats, regular bath this period that coronavirus is on the spread. So there you go, people. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. Keep yourself protected. Stay protected always. You know what to do. In case you don't know what to do, there is a plethora of information available on this site and even online. Get yourself acquainted with these and prevent yourself. Remember, the preservation of your life lies first in your hands before anyone else can help you. Wash your hands, and wash your hands again. Use hand sanitizers. You can use alcohol-based sanitizers to sanitize your hands. And in case you're sneezing, please do not sneeze into your palms. Sneeze into your elbows. And then immediately you get home or you get to a water system, wash your hands and wash your elbows, all right? And maintain a 3-meter distance from people who are sneezing, because the COVID virus can exist in droplet of moisture that comes from sneezing and goes straight into the air. And if you're within a reachable length, you can breathe it in. Okay, so avoid where people are crowded for now. And if you notice any case of people sneezing unnecessarily around where you are, please contact the relevant authorities. It's your boy Ovi Mark. Please keep staying tuned to this channel. Stay tuned to this channel. Subscribe using the subscribe button below the video. Share the video using the share button below the video. Like the video and drop a comment, and also click the bell notification icon just beside the subscribe button so that every time I drop new videos, you can always be notified. Thank you for sticking around, guys. From this end, it is bye-bye.